One of the essential pieces of equipment that you're going to need when you go ice fishing is obviously an auger. And there's a couple different types of augers that you can get: gas augers, propane augers, and electric augers. And that's what I've got shown right here. This is just the Milwaukee M18 brushless drill on the Clam drill plate. Now, the reason I like this is because it's lightweight, whether I'm coming out onto the ice to fish or if I'm just picking it up to go from hole to hole, so it's really convenient. Now, the parts of it that are essential, and for any auger, number one is the power source or the power head of the auger. And for this, you just have a standard drill. It's got a lithium battery on there too, which is really important when you want that longevity of power. And that power head is simply going to be turning the bit or the assembly of the drill. Now, the other parts that you've got, the throttle, which is really important because that's going to control how fast the bit actually turns and cuts through the ice. You also have to remember there's no brake on this. You have to simply let go of the throttle for the auger to stop. And then you've got the flightings, and this part is what's taking all of the slush and ice shavings out of the hole as you're drilling. And then, of course, an auger cover, and this is the blade cover. That's going to protect you when you're transporting this and you're not causing damage to any of your gear while it's in the sled. And these are the blades that are going to be cutting through the ice. Now, these are a shaver type of blade. There are also ripper type of blades, and they both work very, very well for cutting through the ice. It's just your personal preference. And then you have right here in the center, this is a cutting point. And this just allows it to go straight through the ice without jumping around and being potentially dangerous to you. It also allows you to recut holes. Now, I do want to say that it's very important, like I said before, to have that blade cover on anytime that you're transporting in your vehicle, in a sled. And the other thing to remember, if you're using an auger like this one, that you always take the battery off when you're transporting it, because if something should hit the throttle, now you've got the drill assembly turning and possibly causing damage to your gear. And we want you to protect your gear, be safe, and catch fish.